Join us today as we discover a breathtaking piece of history and take you to spend a night at the stunning Meke Crater. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's episode. Follow us today as we discover a breathtaking piece of history. In Beyşehir stands the stunning Eşrefoğlu Mosque, a 13th century marvel supported by 42 towering cedar pillars. These pillars were soaked in Lake Beyşehir for months to prevent cracking. Inside, detailed woodwork and a brilliant blue-tiled mihrab create a timeless atmosphere. This is a living piece of Anatolian history. When you enter and feel the space and silence, a sense of inner peace follows. Then we explore Çatalhöyük, deep in central Anatolia, one of the world's oldest and largest Neolithic settlements, dating back over 9,000 years. This ancient city once housed up to 8,000 people living in tightly packed mud brick homes, entered through rooftop ladders instead of doors. Inside, walls were decorated with vibrant murals and symbols, revealing a rich culture and spiritual life. Çatalhöyük offers a fascinating glimpse into the dawn of human civilization, a place where some of the first farmers, artists, and city dwellers shaped our shared history. We are sleeping on Meke Crater tonight. We arrived quite late, but we set up just the tent and had some quick dinner. And tomorrow morning we try to climb up to this hill, so we'll see how it goes. It's beautiful, but it's windy, and there is a few other cars, so I hope we can have a shower.
We had such a beautiful day today. After all day we arrived at one of the most amazing places we've seen so far as a family. It's Meke Crater, and we're going to spend the night here. We just set up our rooftop tent, and pot is on, so we can have nice warm shower. And tomorrow we're going to attempt to climb the volcano and see what's inside. So stay with us and see what's going to happen.
So this is a beautiful camp. So I'm so happy.
Do you think we're going to see dinosaurs tomorrow?
Yes.
Volcano.
Volcano.
Do you want to climb up the volcano?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll see tomorrow.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
It wasn't the best night, but I wasn't so cold. I don't know. I just couldn't sleep this night. But it was quiet, so nothing really happened. So I wasn't afraid. And you?
No, it wasn't the best night, like you said. I was up since 1, and since then I just couldn't get back to sleep. But it was a peaceful night. There were no cars passing by, no people around. So yeah, good night. Just bad sleep. But the morning was beautiful.
Yeah.
I was flying with the drone when the sun rose up. And the view to the crater is really beautiful. And actually we're going to attempt to hike up to the crater after the breakfast and after Yo-Yo wakes up. So.
Yeah, Yo-Yo still sleeps, so
Yeah, so can't wait.
he apparently has the night of his life because when we want to sleep, he can't sleep. But
Exactly, yeah.
when we can't sleep, it's just like he steals our sleep.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yes, and also throughout the night I was up so many times, like always checking on him if it's not cold, holding his hands if they are not cold, and just trying to cover him up with sleeping bags. He was always sleeping, like not moving at all. Had really good sleep.
Dobre ránko, srdiečko. Are you looking forward to the volcano?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay,
So happy.
so let's go.
Let's go.
Heroes.
Let's see how long it will take us. It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Come on.
We have to go all the way down so we can go up again. And we wanted to cross this dry lake, but if you go further, your feet start to sink deep, so we better go around.
Povybieraj si tie rastliny, ktoré z ponožiek. Už je to dobré.
We found a path, and this is our little resting stop before the last stretch, which is going to be really steep.
Na ten ťažký úsek, žiadne ľahké. Tak čo? Ste pripravení na tento ťažký úsek? Mám sveta.
No.
Tam ti to ukážem, dobre? Keď budem pri aute, otvorím a ukážem ti. Dobre?
No jasné.
Že tá láva tu v týchto veľkých dierách, tam bola láva. A potom tam boje z dola to vybuchovalo na všetky strany a potom tie kamene z tej lávy uschli. Potom to všetko zhaslo, vyschlo a potom už tam boli iba kamene a rastliny. Čiže ja poviem takú jednu rozprávku, ktorá taká neexistuje a nepočuť. No. Že v jednej takej krajine žili ľudia a mali tam domy, mali tam všetko, čo akože v našej zemeguli je. Napríklad toto. Tak. Niekedy si dávno pred 100 rokmi 2020-100 dozadu. Žila taká jedna sopka. A v tej sopke stále láva. A oni sa na ňu každý deň pozerať. A potom do nej hádzajú všetko možné, pretože tam nemohlo byť. A potom sa vieš, čo stalo? Stal sa o takej jednej pozore, že tá súpka, ona sa mala tlak asi až 125. A potom tá láva sa plnila, až vybuchla na všetky strany a zhorela celá zemegula. Tak. A takto potom to skončilo s tými ľuďmi. Potom to všetko zhaslo, vyschlo. Potom to tu iba takto rastlo. A potom tí ľudia boli také ako kameni. Ale boli takí stále ako ľudia, ale sa nehýbali. Takto to skončilo s tou rozprávkou. To je neuveriteľná rozprávka.
A to je naozaj jasná rozprávka, či to je taká vymyslená?
Vymyslená.
In the next episode, we'll take you through the stunning Ihlara Valley and we'll end up at the largest rock-cut religious structure in Turkey. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.